Hello everyone, welcome back to Vikas Teach YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the complete communication round details. After successfully clearing the coding assessment round, you'll receive a mail and WhatsApp message as "Dear candidates, congratulations on completing your first set of assessment. And now you are eligible to take our communication assessment. Please complete your communication assessment within the given timeline as this is a mandatory step in our hiring process. Kindly check the inbox and spam folder of your registered email ID for further details." And now moving on to the complete details of the communication round. This communication round is a non-elimination round which consists of 6 sections, whereas reading section contains of 8 questions, listening section contains 16 questions, question and answers contains 24 questions, jumble sentences contains 10 questions, retelling a story contains 3 questions. And finally, speaking contains 2 questions. And after successfully clearing the communication round, and you'll receive a mail and WhatsApp message as "Dear candidate, thank you for participating in our communication assessment. Do check your email for more information." I guess many of you have doubts regarding what next. So we have done many Accenture interview experience videos and Accenture top 10 interview questions. If you haven't watched these videos, I'll be pasting the video link in the description box. Do check it out. That's all for today's video. If this information is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas Teach YouTube channel.